Well, Martin, Dewalt have had out the 1/4" router for a while, so a lot of people will know this one. So it comes as the plunge router and a trimmer. But today, Dewalt have out now the 1/2" router. So a lot of lads have been waiting on this one. So this at the moment is sold as a full kit. So it comes with the power stack batteries. So this is what Dewalt are recommending. There's a few features on it that are similar and a few features that are new. One of the new features on it is there's an anti-rotation on it, which that means that if you're running through a workpiece and the router turns slightly and it seems like it's out of control, the motor will shut down on that.
Oh, very good.
This router, Martin, what would we be using it for?
Oh, the likes of, for instance, the worktop jig there.
Yeah.
Very handy joining worktops.
It has a 70mm depth of plunge, so that is able to do your standard lock jig.
Basta, 2.5 bag
So
basta.
you have fences, dust ports, as I say, that it works with the Dewalt system. Now there is adapters that can come with it that you can adapt to other brands as well. So they do come in the box with it.
That's handy, yeah.
Yeah, there actually is a 1/4" collet as well as a 1/2". So it means that you can use smaller bits with it, not just your 1/2". So
Very good.
it doesn't limit the tool to just the one big use either. And it's not actually that big and awkward as its predecessor, and having no cable is a major advantage.
Not as heavy either.
No.